Hello, how are you doing? Today's video is this one, the first in the series of 7 Days 7 Eye Looks, and the theme is my favorite color, purple, violet, plum, all that kind of family color. So every look that you're going to watch is purple, violet. Just see how I got this, shall we? I will be using these three eyeshadow palettes. Everything will be in the description. So the first thing that I'm going to do is I will apply this to set this part of the concealer that I put as a pre-base. So you barely see it because it's kind of my skin tone. Now I will apply this shade here from the Nude in the transition. And now I will use this shade to darken the crease. I will just have the first shade again. And now I will grab this shade here and I will apply it wet all over the lid. I will just grab again this shade here and I will put a tiny bit on the outer part just to darken it a tiny bit. And now I will apply a tiny bit wet this shade here. And there you go, all the eye look, and I hope to see you in the next video.